Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello to everyone listening today. How are you feeling, Sarah?
I'm good, Kevin, but I'm a little tired this morning.
Tired? Did you sleep well last night?
I did, but I woke up early. I need something to help me wake up.
Let me guess. You need coffee.
Exactly. I need coffee. Strong coffee.
Where do you get your coffee?
I go to the coffee shop near my office every morning.
Every morning. That's a lot of coffee.
I know, but it's so good. And actually, Kevin, that made me think of today's topic.
Oh? What's our topic today?
Today, we're talking about English at a coffee shop. Simple daily conversation.
Perfect. Everyone goes to coffee shops. This is very useful.
Very useful. Whether you're ordering coffee or meeting friends, you need to know these phrases.
And coffee shop English is friendly. It's casual, easy to learn.
Exactly. So today, we'll help you feel confident at any coffee shop.
Before we start ordering coffee, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please. If you're enjoying this episode, please subscribe to Master English Channel.
And click the like button. It really helps us a lot.
You can also share this with your friends or family who are learning English.
We love reading your comments. Thank you for your support.
Now, let's go to the coffee shop. Are you ready, Kevin?
I'm ready. I need coffee too.
Okay, so you walk into the coffee shop. What happens first?
Someone greets you. Usually they say hi or hello.
Or they say welcome, very friendly and warm.
In coffee shops, people are usually very nice, very casual.
Then you walk to the counter. The counter is where you order.
The person behind the counter is called a barista.
A barista is a person who makes coffee. They help you order.
What does the barista say first?
They usually say, "What can I get for you?" or "What would you like?"
Sometimes they say, "How can I help you today?"
All the same meaning. They want to know your order.
So how do you answer? What if you want a regular coffee?
Very simple. Say, "I'd like a coffee, please."
Or, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Both are polite. Both work perfectly.
But Sarah, there are many types of coffee, not just regular coffee.
You're right. Let me explain. There's espresso. That's very strong, small coffee.
There's cappuccino. That has coffee, milk, and foam on top.
There's latte. That's coffee with a lot of milk, very smooth.
There's americano. That's espresso with hot water.
And there's mocha. That's coffee with chocolate, delicious.
So many options. How do you order these?
Same way. "I'd like a cappuccino, please," or "Can I have a latte?"
Easy. Now, the barista will ask you about size.
Size means how big, how much coffee.
They say, "What size?" or small, medium, or large.
You choose. "Small, please," or "I'll have a large."
Some coffee shops use different names, like tall, grande, venti.
Don't worry about that. You can just say small, medium, or large. They understand.
Good point. Now, what about the temperature?
Temperature, you mean hot or cold?
Exactly. They might ask hot or iced.
Iced means cold, with ice.
So you say hot, please, or iced, please.
In summer, I love iced coffee. In winter, hot coffee.
Me too. Now, let's talk about something important, Sarah.
What's that?
When we order, we use different tenses, different times.
Oh, good point. Let me explain. When you order, you usually use present tense.
Present tense means now, right now.
You say, "I want coffee," or "I need coffee." That's present.
But we don't usually say "I want" in coffee shops. It's not polite enough.
Right. We use I'd like. That's actually I would like. More polite.
I'd like a coffee. That's also kind of present, but more polite.
Exactly. Or you say, can I have a latte? That's asking permission. Also present.
What about I'll have? Is that present or future?
Good question. I'll have means I will have. That's technically future tense.
But we use it for ordering right now.
Exactly. It sounds very natural, very common.
So, I'll have a cappuccino means you're choosing it now, but you'll drink it soon.
Right. Don't worry too much about the grammar. Just know these phrases work.
I'd like, I'll have, and can I have are the best three.
Use any of them. You'll sound perfect.
Okay, back to ordering. What other questions does the barista ask?
They might ask, anything else? Or is that all?
This means, do you want to add something, like food or another drink?
If you want something else, say, yes, can I also have a muffin?
If you don't want anything else, say, no, that's all, thank you.
Or just, that's it, thanks.
What about paying? How do you pay?
The barista tells you the price. They say something like, that'll be $5, or your total is $6.50.
You can pay with cash or card.
If you pay with card, they might say, you can tap here, or insert your card.
After you pay, they give you a receipt. That's the paper showing what you paid.
Then they say something like, your drink will be ready soon, or we'll call your name.
So you wait. You wait for your coffee.
Usually, you wait at the end of the counter, the pickup area.
They make your drink and then call your name.
When it's ready, they say, Sarah, or cappuccino for Kevin.
You pick it up and say thank you.
Sometimes you want to customize your drink, make it special for you.
Customize means change it, make it your way.
For example, you can say, can I have extra milk?
Or no sugar, please. Or with almond milk, please.
Almond milk is milk made from almonds, not from cows.
There's also soy milk, oat milk, coconut milk, many options.
Just ask, can I have oat milk instead of regular milk?
The barista will say, sure, or of course, or no problem.
Coffee shops are very flexible. They want to make you happy.
What if you're meeting a friend at the coffee shop?
Good question. That's very common. People meet friends for coffee.
How do you do that in English?
When you arrive, you might look for your friend. You look around.
When you see them, you wave. You say hi or hey.
Then you sit down together. You chat. You talk.
You might ask, what are you going to order? Or what do you want to drink?
Your friend answers. Maybe they say something like, I'm thinking about a latte.
I'm thinking about means you're considering it. You might choose it.
Then you both go to the counter together, or one person orders for both.
If you order for your friend, you say, I'd like a cappuccino and a latte, please.
Easy. 2 drinks, 1 order.
After you get your drinks, you sit and talk. Enjoy your time.
Coffee shops are great for conversation, for practicing English.
Exactly. Now we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us this.
What is your favorite coffee drink? And what coffee shop do you go to?
For example, I love americano. I go to a small coffee shop near my house.
And I love cappuccino. I go to the coffee shop near my office every morning.
Write your answer in the comments. It's great practice.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
And please, if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Master English channel.
Click the like button. Share this with friends who are learning English.
Your support helps us make more episodes. Thank you so much.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope you feel confident about ordering coffee in English now.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Go to a coffee shop and try these phrases.
Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
Just be polite, be clear, and enjoy your coffee.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Happy learning and enjoy your coffee.
Bye-bye.